Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a super important process. How to add a privacy policy to your Wix website, step by step. Having a privacy policy isn't just a box to tick off. It's essential for building trust with your visitors, complying with legal requirements, and showing you take data privacy seriously. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a professional privacy policy up on your site. No sweat. So let's jump straight in and get your website properly protected. First things first, head over to your Wix dashboard and navigate to the Pages section. You'll usually find this in the left side menu. It's where all your site's pages live, like Home, About, Contact, all the basics. Now, we want to add a brand new page for your privacy policy, so click the Add Page button. Don't worry about any tricky settings right now, just focus on creating the page itself. Once you're prompted to name your new page, type in Privacy Policy. This name is important because visitors and search engines look for it. Clearly labeling it helps people know where to find important information about how their data is handled. Think of it as putting up a sign that says, "Transparency lives here." Now, with the page created, it's time to actually generate your privacy policy content. Here's where things get really straightforward. Open a new tab and go to termsfeed.com. I like termsfeed.com because it takes all the guesswork out of legal language. Once you're on the site, look for the Website option and click it. This will guide you through a series of questions about your site, the type of data you collect, and other details that help personalize your privacy policy. Take your time here. Those details matter since the privacy policy should actually reflect your website's features. After you've filled out the relevant information and the policy has been generated, you'll have the option to copy code. It's usually a snippet of HTML code, and this is what you'll use to display the privacy policy on your Wix page. Don't worry if you've never dealt with HTML before. Wix makes this part really easy. Now, return to your Wix dashboard and go back to the privacy policy page you just created. What you want to do next is add the actual policy to the page. In Wix, you can do this by adding an element called embed code. You'll find it among the add-ons or elements you can use on a page, usually under something like embed or custom embeds. Click it, and you should see a box pop up where you can paste your HTML code. Go ahead and paste the privacy policy code you copied from termsfeed.com right into that box. Once you hit Apply or Update, your privacy policy will instantly appear on the page, fully formatted and ready to go. Give it a few seconds. Sometimes it takes a moment for everything to load and display correctly. Take a look through the policy on your published page to make sure it fits with your site's look and that all the information is accurate. If anything seems off, don't worry. Just go back to termsfeed.com and regenerate the policy with updated details, then paste the new code. It's all about making sure your visitors feel safe and informed. And that's it. Your Wix website now has a professional privacy policy page. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment with any questions you have, and subscribe for more helpful website tips and how-tos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.